Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add HTML code to your Squarespace website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official squarespace.com website right here if you're not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So after logging into your account you'll be greeted by your dashboard right here where we can find all the websites we have. What you want to do is open up the website that you want to add the HTML code for. So I'm going to open up my website right here. This is going to open up this new main page where I can find all the sections I can access at the left side of the screen, such as website, products, content, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started with adding HTML code. What we want to do first is go ahead and click the edit button right here at the top of the screen. This is going to enable us to edit our website. As you can see, we can edit the site header, footer, and our main section right here. And now what we want to do is to go ahead and add a block. So here at the left side screen, we can see the add block option. We want to add a block, and now in this option right here, we can find a block that says code. And this is the option we're going to be using. So you want to click on code guys, and here you can get started with editing your code. As you can see, you can select what kind of code you want. HTML is default selected. You choose CSS, JavaScript, whatever you need, and get started with adding your code so that you can use it and you can put it wherever you want on your section. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.